Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your iPhone runs a recent iOS, and if desired, connect a headset. Next, open Settings and go to Accessibility, then Audio/Visual. This is where noise controls live. Once there, locate background sounds under the Hearing section. Tap to view options. You're starting the process now because changing source and level here affects all system audio. Make sure to keep the device unlocked and nearby so you can test changes in real time. Now you adjust the actual controls. Turn background sounds on and pick a sound profile that masks your ambient noise. Balanced works for most environments, but try bright or dark if you need higher or lower frequencies. Slide the volume to sit just above the unwanted noise. You'll hear immediate change. Also decide whether sounds play with other audio or only when media isn't playing. Once done, test by making a call or recording a voice memo to confirm the background sounds reduce distraction without overpowering speech. Finish by adding background sounds to your control center for quick access. That way you can toggle or adjust volume mid-use. If sounds won't play, close the app you're testing, then reboot the iPhone. This resolves most state conflicts. If problems persist, update iOS and, if necessary, reset accessibility settings to default. Make sure Do Not Disturb or Focus modes aren't muting system audio. One troubleshooting tip: test with wired headphones to isolate Bluetooth issues. This often reveals whether the phone or accessory is.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.